Hello, my dear friends. I'm your friend Dora. Today, I want to invite you all to my house and introduce my family members. Are you all ready to visit my house? Come on, here we go. Can you see a hero getting ready for his work? Yes, he is my father. I call him Daddy, the real hero of my life. He works in an office and he is a busy man, but still he manages to spend quality time with me and my brother. He shows his love and guidance every day for us. We believe that he always gives the best thing in life for us. Come, let me introduce our captain of the ship, my mother. I call her Mommy. She cooks food for us. She helps me get ready for school. She takes care of me and my entire family. She is my lovely friend too. The love she shows for our family is boundless. Father and mother are called as parents. Next, I am going to show the strong and beautiful pillars of our family. They are my grandfather and grandmother. I call my grandfather as Grandpa and grandmother as Grandma. My grandma used to tell us many stories about fairies, great kings and queens. She also tells about the moral values of life. I visit the park with my grandpa for playing and he will tell interesting facts about flowers, birds, and other things which we see around us. Both grandma and grandpa are called as grandparents. I love and respect my grandparents so much. Here comes my naughty and cute younger brother. He calls me sister and we play a lot, chat, and share everything together. And sometimes we will also fight. But we both love each other so much. My family includes father, mother, grandpa, grandma, brother, and myself. We all love to spend time with each other after dinner every night. A group of people living together and helping each other is a family. My family will provide me love, support, respect. This is all about my family. Hope you enjoyed watching my family. Thank you.
Hello, children. Good morning. I hope you all are doing good. Today, we are going to do a family tree. Children, with your mummy's help, take the required materials: a sheet of paper, pencil, sponge, green and brown paint. First, take a sheet of paper and draw a trunk. And fill it with brown paint. Draw a big circle around the trunk. Take a sponge and dip it in green paint. Then start printing inside the circle slowly. Allow it to dry for 5 minutes. Very good, children. Ask your mummy to give photos of your family members. Apply some glue and paste it like this. Wow, wonderful! What a nice family tree. Superb, children. Here is a star for you. Thank you.
I know you enjoy a lot while doing the printing, dabbing, collage, coloring activities and eagerly waiting for this week's activity. Are you ready? Okay then, we move on to coloring. Children, ask your parents to give the perfect drawing book. Turn to page 15 gently. Wow, what do you see? Yes, it is an ice cream. Shall we start coloring the picture? Today we are going to use many colors as given in the picture. First, take brown color crayon for ice cream's wafer cone. Draw a neat outline and then start coloring within the given outline. Next, use pink for the cream part. Always draw a neat outline first. Then start coloring. Now take red color crayon for the cherry topping. Very good, children. Once you have completed the work, close your book gently and give it to your parents. Super! Here is a star for you. Next, we are going to do a very interesting activity. For that, ask your parents to give your preschool drawing book. And turn to page 19. Do you see a lollipop picture? Now we are going to do pom-pom print on this lollipop picture. For this, you need some pom-poms, 2 to 3 pastel colors, and a palette or a plate. Parents, help your ward to do this activity. Pour some pastel colors on the palette. Ask your ward to gently dip the lower part of the pom-pom ball and make prints over the lollipop picture like this. Take another pom-pom and dip it in another color and again make prints. Repeat this activity until you fill the picture with colors. Superb cuties! Your lollipop looks so nice. Here is a thumbs up for you. Dear parents, these activities help to strengthen the small hand muscles and fingers, develop pre-writing skills, and supports sensory integration.
Activity time. Children, today we are going to do some interesting activities. Come on, let's start. Go get a plate and a small sized ball. Now stretch one hand forward. Keep the plate on your palm with a ball in it. Now children, you have to balance the plate and the ball. Come on, let's try. Excellent! Are you enjoying the activity? Very good. Children, use only one hand. Parents, this activity helps in improving balancing and coordination, which is necessary to help children play sports in future. Children, shall we move on to our next activity? For this activity, we need few colorful balls and a cardboard box or a basket. Shall we start the activity, cuties? Get ready. Parents, please make the child lie down and place the box near the head as shown in the picture. Now, children, grab the ball one by one with legs and drop it into the basket. Cuties, are you enjoying the activity? Excellent! Parents, this activity helps in improving foot-eye coordination and timing. Our next activity is run and kick the ball. Children, are you ready? Children, now place the ball on the floor a little far from you. And remember, you have to run towards the ball and kick it. Are you all ready? Go! Excellent! Shall we do it once more? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Very good! Parents, this activity improves foot-eye coordination and timing. Children, shall we all play a game now? Before starting the game, shall we practice balancing with one leg? Cuties, now try standing with one leg as shown in the image. Let me see for how many counts you are able to balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, cuties! Are you all ready to play the game? Come on, let's play the game now. Parents, please draw a large hopscotch. Put the number 1 and 2 as shown in the image. Children, watch carefully. When I say 1, you have to hop inside the box with one leg. The number 2 requires both feet, one foot on each box. Let's start now. 1, 2, 1. Turn around. 1, 2, 1. Excellent! Parents, this game helps children to master body control. Movements involved in this game build body strength, balance, and coordination. Thank you.